Question number 1.
In this semester, we have learned a lot about business analytics, especially when it comes to Excel. It is because we have learned a lot on how to use Excel functions effectively and correctly, as well as we have learned on how to enter basic formula and calculation in order for us to analyze our data.
Question number 2.
For the overall of this course, we can say that business analytics really help us for improving our soft skill of Microsoft Excel and Tableau. Since this course already provide an effective guideline to the student, so we do not need to worry because we can understand easily on how to use the Microsoft Excel and Tableau based on the guideline.
Question number 3.
Next, what are the skills acquired from this project? The first skills that is acquired from this project is the skill to perform basic Excel functions such as count function, sum function, average function, and many more. Secondly, the second skills that is acquired from this project is the skill to create a suitable chart depending on the data we are working on, such as column chart, pie chart, and many more.
Question number 4.
We truly 100% that in the future we will using this skill of Microsoft Excel wherever we go and whatever we do. This is because most of organizations in Malaysia are consulting various data company to assist them gain their data into effective business strategies. As we know, working as a clerk also need to be good in using Microsoft Excel. So whatever job we do, we need to know how to handle the Microsoft Excel.
Question number 5.
Here are the benefits that we think we have acquired from this project. First of all, we think that it is very easy for us to analyze our data because there are a lot of tools provided in order for us to continue with our data analysis. Secondly, we think that it is a useful and the best tool to store large data set because not only us, there are also a lot of people out there that use Excel too.
Question number 6.
Based on the lab assignment that we do, firstly we divide the task fairly and make sure everyone have thing to do. After that, we make a discussion to ensure both of us understand every single thing that we do. Then finish it by our own.
Question number 7.
Next, how was the information gathered? Normally, most of the information that we use are gathered from reports and documents available. After that, all the information will be organized and structured into Excel for us to continue with our data analysis process.
Question number 8.
The thing that we like about this learning is we can get to know well how to use the Microsoft Excel and Tableau. Before this, we rarely to open the Microsoft Excel because we do not know how to use it. But now, we already know how to use every single component that have in Microsoft Excel. In addition, we also enjoy to play around with Tableau because it has a map, chart, and many more. It makes us easy to do analysis about several companies. As we know, the topic in this course also developed on the basis of industry need in Malaysia. So, we should learn it for our future.
Question number 9.
In this project, there are also several difficulties that we have encountered. So the first difficulty is the difficulty to decide and differentiate on which formula for us to use because there are a lot of functions available. Secondly, is the difficulty to structuring and organizing data from various data sources into Excel and analyzing it effectively.
And lastly, question number 10.
Okay, the first thing we want to suggest that instructor should collect all the function and put it in one page. From that, student will not get confused anymore to differentiate the function since there are many of function in this course. Secondly, we want to suggest that instructor should give several quizzes and provide the data set of exercise for every topic. So student can do exercise more and more, plus they can get a strong understanding of business analytics. This is because students usually find difficulty to structure and analyze from various data into Excel.